Hello, student. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your study. Dear student, today I will tell you chapter 2nd miscellaneous exercise. Question number 1. Question number 1 first we have given fx is a function defined by fx equal to x square when value of the x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3. Fx equal to 3x, the value of x greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 10. Gx equal to x square when value of x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2. And gx equal to 3x when value of x greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 10. So that fx is a function and gx is not a function. Okay. Now for fx, okay, for the value of x greater than equal to x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 3. When x equal to 0, f0 equal to 0. When x equal to 1, f1 equal to 1 square 1. When x equal to 2, f2 equal to 2 square 4. When f equal to 3, f3 equal to 3 square 9. Right? For the value of x lie between 3 and 10, including 3 and 10, f3 equal to 9, f4 equal to 12, f5 equal to 3 into 5, 15, f6 equal to 3 into 6, 18, f7 equal to 3 into 7, 21, f8 equal to 3 into 8, 24, f9 equal to 3 into 9, 27, f10 equal to 3 into 10, 30. Right? Okay. Now you can see from the diagram, each element, this diagram is showing that each element having a unique image from R to R. So it clarifies that fx is a function. Now let us see for gx. For the interval 0 to 2 including 0 and 2, g0 equal to 2, 0, g1 equal to 1, g2 equal to 4. And for interval 2 to 10, g2 equal to 6, g3 equal to 9, g4 equal to 12 and g5 equal to 15 and g6 equal to 3 into 6 18, g7 equal to 3 into 7 21, g8 equal to 3 into 8, g9 equal to 3 into 9 and g10 equal to 3 into 10 30. Therefore, since g2 equal to 4 here, g2 equal to 4, from the first interval you are getting g2 equal to 4, from the second one you are getting g2 equal to 6. Since 2 having 2 image 4 and 6, therefore g is not a function. Now come to the next question, question number 2nd. Second question, if fx equal to x square, find f1.1 minus f1 upon 1.1 minus 1. f1.1 minus f1 upon 1.1 minus 1 equal to, you will put the value of x 1.1, 1.1 square minus 1 square upon 1.1 minus 1. You will apply the formula a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b upon 1.1 minus 1. 1.1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 1.1 plus 1 equal to 2.1. Now, question number 3rd, you have to find the domain fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 8x plus 12. Okay, at first I will find out its domain. To find its domain, I will put its denominator 0, x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. You will factorize it, you will get x minus 2, x plus x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to 2 comma 6. Therefore, domain will be all real number excluding 2 and 6. Right? Why? Because when you will put x equal to 2 and x equal to 6, you will get fx equal to infinity, right? That is for x 2 and 6, for the value of x 2 and 6, you will get corresponding value of fx will be infinity. So excluding 2 and 6, all will be domain. All will be its domain. Come to the question number 4. Find the domain and range of a real function f defined by fx equal to square root of x minus 1. My dear student, since the given function is a real function, so for real range x minus 1 must be greater than equal to 0, implies x must be greater than equal to 1. If x will be less than 1, less than 0, then fx will be an imaginary number, right? Therefore, domain equal to 1 close interval of 1 to infinity. For range, since x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, taking square root both sides, square root of x minus 1 greater than equal to 0 implies fx greater than equal to 0. Therefore, range equal to the close interval of 0 to infinity, right? Now the question number 5, find the domain and range of a real function defined by fx equal to mod of x minus 1. Since a given function is defined for all real value of x, therefore domain equal to a real number. Fx equal to mod of x minus 1 is always non-negative real number. Therefore, range equal to close interval of 0 to open interval in infinity. Now come to the question number 6. Let fx equal to x comma x square upon 1 plus x square be a function from R into R determine the range of f. Means we have to find out the range of this given function f. X equal to x square upon 1 plus x square. Since x belong to a real number, therefore square of a real number will always greater than equal to 0. Right? Okay. Adding 1 on both the side, 1 plus x square will greater than equal to 0 plus 1. Implies 1 plus x square is greater than equal to 1. 1 upon 1 plus x square is less than equal to 1. Since 4 is greater than 2, therefore 1 upon 4 will be less than 1 upon 2. The sign will be changed. Okay. Multiplying by minus sign from both the side, therefore sign will be changed. Like as if 4 greater than 2, therefore minus 4 will be less than minus 2. This sign is being changed. Okay. Now adding 1 on both sides, there will be no change. 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square greater than equal to minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square minus 1 plus 1, 0. X square upon 1 plus x square greater than equal to 0. Means fx greater than equal to 0. Right? Now, since denominator 1 plus x square is greater than the numerator x square, now dividing both the side by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square greater than x square upon 1 plus x square implies 1 greater than x square upon 1 plus x square equal to fx, that is fx is less than 1, right? Therefore, the fx is greater than equal to 0 and less than 1. Therefore, range is closed interval in 0 and open interval in 1. Now come to the question number 7. Fx f comma g such that defined from R to R, okay, be defined respectively by the function fx equal to x plus 1, gx equal to 2x minus 3. Find f plus g, comma f minus g and f upon g. Means addition of the two functions by the simple algebraic addition fx plus gx, x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 2. F minus g equal to fx minus gx equal to x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3 equal to minus x plus 4 equal to 4 minus x. F upon g equal to fx upon gx equal to x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3. Right? Okay. I hope you'll understand this. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.